Video number 12. From this video, we're going to talk about suppliers. If you can flashback about our previous videos, uh, actually, I think from the first couple of videos, we have discussed about when we discussed about product records and product editing. I have shown you about the suppliers and how to add suppliers. But you may have wondered, even when we click here, when we add the suppliers, how we have all these pre-entered suppliers here. So today I'm going to show you the answer for that. Let me go back for the suppliers. So when you go to the supplier records, here we got the all the suppliers we have in our business, and here we have given the supplier ID and also the description for the supplier names, and we can select them whether we have an active supplier or not, and also the postcode of the suppliers and their contact name and the contact number. From here, they have give some filters for us to search the suppliers as well. You can either give the ID or name or the account and ABN, because I'll show you, because when we add a new one, we give all these details for this supplier. So I will show you one of them, how we add a new supplier. So once we go for the new supplier, you can give all the details here and then save it. So then that's how we get all these supply details when we do the add products. But mainly, I want to I'll go through all these as well, and you may have some idea about these because I have discussed about some of them. For example, like the supply, I have show you how we do in the other side, but I will go through deeply as well. But today I mainly like to talk about invoices and recipes first from the suppliers. So this is the place where we going to enter all the invoices to our system, and also this is where we going to add the stock on hand uh, to the separate locations. Over here, they have give a filter to select the suppliers, which I showed you before, and also from here you can add the location, whatever the location you're gonna do, and you can give the type of the payment and also the invoice date, and you can give the invoice number. And here we got the supply code, description, sizes, the size of the product, and also if it is come as cases, how many cases or unit. And this one is including the tax percentage, and also this one is including tax price, and also this one is excluding tax, and also this one is for the including tax cost, bonus, or if you have get any discounts or something, and money only, item cost, current, the case quantity, and total quantity. And here the same footer we see in our others as well. And normally what I do is when I got a supply invoice, I add the supply here first. Let you mm, let's give something. So let's give this one, and then it let us to select the location, select the main location, and also then we can select whether it's invoice or credit note. And here is the place you to give the invoice number. I don't have any invoice at the moment, but you can type the invoice number here, and but you have to make sure you enter the correct number. You have to double check the number, because these are the details we're going to send to our accounts, and then how we do the payments. Same as others, we're gonna add a row, or we can do the CTR insert shortcut keys from the keyboard. And there's two ways you can search the search a product, you can either give the supplier code, which is I show you from the before from the supply records. So each of the supply have supply codes, and then when we give supply code, it will give us the uh, product. Or otherwise, you can search search a product from here. Uh, so this one, just because I randomly get it, this one says the product code is this, and then the supply code we have to, if you want, we can add it. If it is, for example, let's say this is a brand new item, and then we're going to add from here. I'm going to show them as well in another video, but not from here. And once you give that one, then we can enter the size of the product and also case quantities, and then it will automatically calculate the price. And like that, we can keep entering details. And so let's add this one for now. See, so it will give the size we have entered, and it has come like each. So let's put, we got 10 units from that one, and then it automatically calculate the amount, and this one give the subtotal. And normally when I do a invoice, to make, when I want to make sure I'm entering it correctly, so I will add the invoice total here first, because once we add that one and when we try to process, it won't let us process if it is not same as here and here. Even for the uh, cents, you have to get exactly same. And there's another way you can put the uh, add invoices, which is from the retrieves. So you can, you if you have already submit purchase order, you can get it through here, or otherwise you can go through here and then you can add more. And also from these colors, it will indicate you uh, if that product has increased the price or decreased the price. And also it will give you a little message as well. So this product has been increased the price from this percentage, so something like that. So that's all about invoices. So you can keep entering the invoice here, and also you can preview the data and also reset. So once you're done and once you commit it, it will be stored in our report, which is I'm going to show you on our next video, how to get the report and then how we send to our accounts. But for now, I'm going to end this video from here. I hope you get some idea about how we do the invoices, and hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.